Hello everyone. I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Jotform lead data to Stackby table automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So in this particular automation we are using Jotform to capture the leads. So Jotform is a form building software application. So in place of Jotform we can also use Google Forms, Paperform, Typeform or any other form building software application. And second application we are using Stackby, which is a spreadsheet program. So in place of Stackby we can also use Google Sheets, Grist or any other spreadsheet program. So let's take an example that you are a stock market analyst and you are conducting some stock market conferences. Now you want that whenever any of the customer or any of the participant fills this particular form that you have created using Jotform, automatically the details should be captured into your spreadsheet program, that is your Stackby account. For this we need to create a connection between Jotform and Stackby so that whenever your form is filled, your stock market conference form is filled, automatically the details of the customer should be added to your Stackby table. For that, so in order to create a connection between both these software applications, we are going to use another software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Jotform with Stackby automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details, automatically a new record will be created into your Stackby table. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Jotform and Stackby using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this particular option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Jotform to Stackby Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Jotform leads data to Stackby table automatically. For that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Jotform. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL. So let us read the instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. So I'll just take you to my Jotform account. Here I have already created some forms. So we are going to access this form, that is stock market conference, where I have just 0 submissions. I'm just going to click on edit form. Through this particular form, I am capturing the basic details of the customers as first name, last name, email address and the WhatsApp number. If you want to add some more fields to this particular form, by clicking on this plus sign add form element, you can add the fields as per your requirement. Okay. Now we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever this particular form is filled by the customer, automatically Pabbly Connect can capture the response. For that, come to this settings option. And here we can find the integrations option. Click on integrations. And here in the search bar, we have to search webhooks. Click on it. Now here we have to add the webhook. So I'm just going to remove this data from here. We are going to Pabbly Connect and we will be copying the webhook URL from here. We will go back to the form. Sorry, this is the form. And here we have to add the webhook. So let us add the webhook over here and let's click on Complete Integration. Okay, and here we can see the integration is ready. Let's click on Finish. Now here we can see that the webhook has been set to on our Jotform. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just go to the Jotform once again. Here we will be moving to the Publish option. And here we can find the link to share. So you can share this particular link with your customers to get the form filled, or you can embed the link on your website to capture the leads. Okay, I'm just going to open this particular link in a new tab. And let us fill in the details over here. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Okay, I'll just add M over here, Adam Smith. Okay, here we have to add the WhatsApp number. And let's click on Submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Okay, when we scroll down, here we can find the first name as Adam, last name, email address and the mobile number, the WhatsApp number. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new record or a new row should get created into your Stackby table. For that, come to this action window. Here in the Choose Application, let us find Stackby. In the action event, we have to select Create a Row. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Stackby account. After login, click on your profile, move to account, then scroll down to the API key. So I'll just directly take you to my Stackby account. So this is my Stackby dashboard. Here we will be moving to profile. Click on account. Now when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key, click on this button, regenerate API key, or else I'm just going to copy this key from here. We'll move back to Pabbly Connect and we'll be pasting the same API key over here. And let's click on Save. Okay, and now the Stackby account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Stackby account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Stackby account. Now here we have to select the workspace name and the stack name. So I'll just take you to my workspace or my Stackby account once again. Here I have already created a workspace name, my workspace. And in this particular workspace, I have created a stack named Jotform Customers. So we have to select both of them over here in Pabbly Connect. So the workspace name is my first workspace. And let us select the stack name as Jotform Customers. Okay, meanwhile, I'll just take you to the stack over here. I'm just going to open the stack, that is Jotform Customers. So in this particular stack, I have created a table named Customer Data where I have taken the fields for the first name, last name, email address and the contact number of the customer. So if you want to add some more fields, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the columns as per your requirement. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us select this particular table name over here. So the table name is automatically captured as customer data just because I have created just one table in this particular stack. Okay. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, email address of the customer. So we have already got these details through the Jotform submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. Let us map the first name over here from Jotform and the first name was Adam. Here we have to map the last name. Last name was Smith. Here we have to map the email address. This was the email address and the contact number. Okay, I'll be searching from Jotform. And this was the WhatsApp number or the contact number. So we have mapped all the fields. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received It means a new record is created into the Stackby table. Let's check it. We have to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address along with the contact number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working now. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working fine or not. For that, we have to go to the form once again and we have to fill up the form on the name of some other customer. So I'll just open the form in a new tab and let us fill the details on the name of some other customer. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the WhatsApp number. Okay, and let's click on Submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Stackby table. And here we can find the details of the customer, Shikha, last name as Arya, email address along with the contact number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the Jotform leads data is getting added to the Stackby table and that too automatically. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new row or a new record is added into your Stackby table. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Jotform and Stackby using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.